Today I'm making, I make this recipe every single year. It's such a hit. My friends love it because I give it as gifts. I've got a whole bag of, I'm using Vidalia onions, but you could use yellow onions if you'd like. Just whatever sweeter onion you'd like to use. And once this, giving everything kind of like a rough dice, I'm gonna go ahead and move this all over to a frying pan. And I've got some olive oil here. We're going to just use a 1/4 cup. Birds are out shining today. Go ahead and pour all that olive oil on top. I'm just going to cook this down until it gets nice and soft. Look, it's been, I don't know, about 10-15 minutes, and all those onions have cooked down and caramelized. I haven't added anything except the olive oil. We're gonna move this into a crock pot. Okay, once all of that is in there, we're gonna season this up. We're gonna start with 3/4 cup of maple syrup. All in there, and then you can just follow that up with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Get that in there. Make sure with this brand that you're shaking up the bottle first, and then we're going to be taking some balsamic vinegar, adding a 1/4 cup of that as well. Just a couple of more ingredients. Some Himalayan pink salt. You could just use regular salt. This is just what I happen to have in the kitchen. And we're going to do like about 1.5 teaspoons. Like that. And then our last ingredient is some ground cinnamon. Go ahead and take the top off because we're going to take and use an entire teaspoon. Give or take. If some spills over, that's fine too. Once that's all put together, I'm gonna give this a stir. Spatula, make sure that all that cinnamon is incorporated in the liquid. And then you're gonna plug this in and you're gonna cook this down for about 2.5 to 3 hours, but with the lid off. Don't use the lid because you want to actually get this to evaporate just a little bit. We'll be coming right back after a few hours. Look at how it's cooked down. That is an entire bag of onions in there. I've got this trusty immersion blender that's got the blade on the bottom and these guards. And guess what? You've got the most delicious onion jam that you've made at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this back. I've got a little display container. Move this to the side. I'm gonna put this whole thing right into the container. Look at that delicious jam. We're gonna put it on so many things. I'm actually going to get some saltine crackers because that's always the best way to taste test, right? Something neutral like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of this jam on there. Now be careful, it might be really, really hot. Gonna do, listen, Casey's. Do a little taste. Best maple onion jam you've ever made. You should make it. It's delicious.